Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how I cleaned my camera lens using my newly bought cleaning kit that I got from Lazada. So I have this blower to blow away the dust, and then I have this cleaning liquid for lens. I'm going to clean my lens inside also, but today I'm going to clean the outside of my lens first. And there's this brush. It's soft, it's really soft, it's for lens. And then I have this tweezer, and then wet wipes. I have 4. Going to use them all eventually, but today I'm just going to use some of it. And also a cleaning brush. It's so soft, like makeup. And this is a cleaning wipe, wet wipe and dry wipes. Okay, and then I have this what you call this one, I forgot, this cloth, yeah, to clean the lens also. And I have this cleaning tissue for lens. So okay, I didn't use this for a long time, so look at it. There's a lot of dust and some, what's this? Amag. Fungus yata tawag dyan, I don't know. So let's do it. First, I'm going to blow away the dust. Like this, blow. Kunwari. Okay. Para lang matanggal yung mga, okay, it's okay everywhere. I think I already clean outside, so blow. Pa-blow muna tayo. Then I'm going to use the wet wipes. Wet wipe po yan. So dito lang po muna ako sa labas maglilinis. Tomorrow, I think, because I'm waiting for my kit. Hindi pa dumarating. Tagal na, hindi pa dumarating yung kit ko para ma-open ko yung lens so I can clean it inside. So, look, it's so dirty. Nakatago lang kasi ito, hindi ko ginagamit. And then, nung i-check ko, may amag na siya. Oh my God! So, I have to clean it. Yan. Ang dumi niya. Ngayon, ginagamit ko is yung dry wipe para matuyo siya. Yan, wala na siya. Wala na siyang dumi. Alhamdulillah. Tapos dito, yung soft brush para wag yung tatouch ng daliri nyo yung lens kasi magkakamark siya. You have to use this, yung talagang nakaano sa kanila na panglinis. So, diba? Ang linis na agad niya. Ang gamit ko dyan is yung cleaning tissue. Yan. Wag kayo basta-basta gagamit ng kung anong lang kasi magagasgasan yung inyong mga lens. So, ayun. Nalinis ko siya dito. Like, punasan natin ang tissue kasi may marka siya konti, and wala, malinis na siya. Meron pa akong isang lens ginagamit ko. I have to open that one kasi may amag siya sa loob, kaya pag dumating yung cleaning, yung pang-open ko talaga, lilinisin ko siya sa loob. So anyway guys, thank you for watching. Have a nice day. Bye. Soli ko rin to rubber grip ata tawag dyan. I forgot the terms really. Thank you guys. Have a nice day. Bye.